How to find Facebook business messages. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Facebook business messages. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device. You will be led to your profile messages. Now, to switch to Facebook Business Messages, go ahead and tap on the three lines on top left of your screen as your Facebook Business Messages and your Facebook Profile Messages will appear separately. Now, tap on your Facebook business page whose message you are looking forward to. You will then be led to your Facebook business page messages, so go ahead and scroll through and find the message you were searching for. So, this is how you can find Facebook business messages. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.